Uh-oh. I forgot to latch the doors. Stop! Stop! What are you doing? Hey! Wait! Come back! I don't believe this. Don't look at me like that. Cluck! Squawk! Cluck! Cluck!
Rough morning, Eli?
Guess the chickens are helping today.
Okay, everybody stop!
Slow down. Watch them. What do they want?
Yes, this is working. Please? Cluck, cluck! Gotcha! Whew.
Nice work, Eli.
See you tomorrow.
Doing your job the right way helps everyone, especially yourself.